To erase all of the information stored on UltraVision, you can perform a hard reset. This will erase all user data, including maps, cleaning schedules, cleaning history, and any other customized cleaning data recorded on the bot. To do a hard reset, remove UltraVision from his charging station and ensure he's powered on. The hard reset is embedded in UltraVision as one of his home checkup test steps. To put UltraVision in checkup mode, press and hold the Go, Charge, and Wi-Fi buttons simultaneously for a few seconds until the bot says,
Home checkup mode activated.
In this mode, UltraVision's LiDAR sensor rotates. Do not perform a complete home checkup test. Instead, press the Wi-Fi button 6 times until you hear Reset Device.
Reset device.
Then press Go. UltraVision's data is now being erased. Wait a minute or so while UltraVision finishes erasing his data and rebooting himself. Once he is rebooted and his screen lights up again, the hard reset is complete. Please contact our helpful support team if you need further assistance.